HPKidsTV. Hello guys, welcome back to HPKidsTV. I'm HP, this is Daddy.
Hi guys.
And sorry about that, we paused it.
They could not see our face.
I
Have another haircut
yeah.
by me.
Also Daddy.
Yeah.
Also Grandma. Grandma's back by the way.
Alright. Hi guys. Hope you are all alright. Doing fine. How are you, H?
But
Okay. Today, what are we going to open?
I think Marvel.
Yeah. We're gonna unbox and build the figure again. Okay. So today we're gonna open.
What are we gonna build?
We're gonna build.
Thanos?
It's an old series. I mean, wave. We're gonna build Hulkbuster.
Yes!
Build this guy.
Who's that?
This is actually an old wave.
Who's that?
So this the box design. This is Blizzard.
How do you know?
So we just
Okay.
got a restock for this one. So that's why we got it again. So shout out to Hobby Corner. That's where we got this figures.
The Hobby Corner?
Yeah. One in Greenhouse.
Scary. Was this like in the Marvel's bed, the one that like
No.
it looked like? Let me see the character.
Yeah, let's show it to them. There's the characters.
I saw Vision!
Yeah, there's gonna be Iron Man.
Old Vision.
Marvel now Iron Man. Then War Machine.
And the old,
And then Blizzard.
and Old Vision.
There's Old Vision, yeah. And then there's Marvel now Doctor Strange. Then there's
We're doing Blizzard
Valkyrie.
right now.
And Thundra.
Wait, can I say Thunder?
Yeah.
It sounds cool.
Yeah.
Where's Thunder?
Thundra. Okay, let's open this one guys first. So we can build it.
We already opened on like what is that called? War Machine, right?
Yeah, but this one's different. I'll show you later, yeah.
Yes.
This is
I'm excited.
yeah. Oh. Oh, you're sleepy. Okay. Whoa.
We still have a cat.
These are the yeah.
Cleaning the nuts.
These are the chest piece, back piece of.
It looks like Iceman.
Let's build this later. Yeah.
He looks like Iceman.
Yeah. He's
Like from
again. There's Blizzard.
yeah, but he looks like like icicle. He looks like icicle.
Icicle from
Stargirl.
Stargirl, yeah.
And we watch the season finale.
If you watch that, yeah, it's quite nice. Yeah, Stargirl, it's quite nice.
Yeah, but there was.
This one.
I think there's gonna be one more video. I hope it.
And it says here, he's a common thug turned powerful villain.
He's a villain.
Yeah, he looks like a villain.
Like,
Excuse me. Donny Hill paralyzes his enemies with his Arctic blast. Whoa.
can we ride tornadoes?
I'm not sure. Cool. Figures quite cool. But
Before the Blizzard have a green shirt.
a what?
A green shirt.
Green shirt? Oh. Okay. So the next one, who will we open? We'll open the one you said looks cool. Let's open Thundra.
Actually, she's a girl, right?
Yeah.
Nothing.
Yeah, let's go.
She sounds cool. It's like Thor.
Thundra.
Why is there two?
It says here, fearless defenders.
And this is the next one.
So with the unbreakable dragon fan, sword and heavy steel chain.
Now look.
This her wings bring evil.
Now look.
It's wings. So big.
Ah, too heavy, too heavy, too heavy. And Grandpa just passed by us. Also at work. I saw. Now you can move this.
See, there you go.
This is his body, right? And By the way, Peter's watching Fearless.
Try to carry this.
Not heavy.
There's weight on it. I think it's just the arm.
And Peter's watching Fearless.
Fearless. Yeah. So in Netflix, right?
Yeah. It's not heavy.
Sorry. Hold on a sec.
Oh.
Let's put it on. Yeah. Wow, she's so tall. Look.
This is it.
Look. Look how tall she is.
Whoa!
Wow.
Oh, she's not taller than this guy.
We'll see.
Yeah.
We'll build that later. Don't worry about it. Okay, so this is thundra. Okay, who else? The other girl. What's up with the other girl?
I don't know.
Valkyrie.
Looks like she's
Valkyrie?
She looks like almost
Yeah,
like
Valkyrie.
Thor. She almost looks like Thor.
Different from the Valkyrie in the movies. Come on, help me open this one. Later. We'll build that later. When we have all the pieces. Oh, help me pull. Help me pull. Yeah.
Is this the right arm?
Right, yeah.
Left arm.
That's the left.
Yeah. Whoa!
Oh.
2, 3, 4. 2. This arm is heavy.
Yeah, that's the heavy part. Hello! Come on, join us. You want to join us?
No,
There you go. Valkyrie.
hey, look.
Hi. Say hi to them. Hi. Hi there. Here. Come here.
I already.
This is Valkyrie.
See you feeling?
No, they're good guys.
Oh, yeah.
Her and Thundra. And she's tall also. If I'm not mistaken, they're from Asgard.
Wait, there is?
Yeah. There you go.
I don't know how to put this together.
I'll help you later. We'll build that. Okay, just put it there. And then who do you want next? Open. We still have Iron Man, War Machine, Doctor Strange, and Vision.
Vision. Old Vision.
Old Vision. There you go.
Wait, can I?
Old Vision. Before the 2-pack that we opened last time, this is the Vision that we got.
And there's an old Doctor Strange.
Yeah, not old. He's from Marvel now.
But he looks old. Can we stand up? Can you check how if he's taller than this?
Yeah, we'll see. We'll compare.
You can look over.
Yeah.
Next level.
Go. Okay. So Vision.
Shaky.
His cape is not separate.
It's okay.
Yeah, just leave it there.
Wait.
And then this is the stomach part. So that's
Stomach
the
part.
Stomach part. You got this.
Handstand.
Woo! Whoa, it did. Oh, here you go. That's Vision. And he's more green.
Than before.
Yeah.
It is.
Ooh. Okay. We'll build that all together.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, where's Vision?
There's Vision. There you go.
Taller.
Yeah. I think Thundra's so tall.
Really? I'll be safe.
Put it.
Nope.
Yeah, because her hair is blocking, and then there's no hole at the mouth. There's hole.
Why does Vision
Let me go.
Vision is on cowboy?
Because he's
Robot?
yeah, he's a robot.
How can he talk? And how can he move? And how can he go through walls?
That's his power. Remember, we forgot the one you watched, Age of Ultron.
I know.
Oh.
You mean like you mean
There you go.
like you mean
What? You can do it.
I can't say it.
Think first. What you want to say? That's Vision. Then next
No,
one,
he's from the first, like the one that they fight.
the one they fought. What do you
Yeah.
mean?
Like Vision and like Black Widow.
No. Age of Ultron.
No, they fight each other.
Oh, you mean Civil War?
Yes.
But that's the second movie. That's not the. Yeah. Okay, game. The next one will open
This guy's from Civil War. I saw his power.
Doctor Strange, and it's so heavy
We can't wait this.
because of the. I think because of the feet.
No, not. No, he's bigger. He's big. I think he's bigger than this.
Let's open.
Bigger. Pow.
Okay, there you go. Let's open this one.
Slack.
Out.
No, you play.
Oh my!
Daddy.
It's so heavy and slippery.
Yeah. Down, up.
Oh no. Okay. Let's pull this guy out. Whoa! Wow. The figure looks amazing.
He's not.
Show it to them first. Wait. There you go. Doctor Strange. Wow. It's amazing. And the feet also.
He's smaller.
Yes. There we go. And then we have two more. Let's open Iron Man.
And Daddy, this is bigger than her.
This is Marvel now, Iron Man as well.
Is it?
Look, this is a black and gold version.
Cow.
So and it's heavy because of the Hulkbuster foot. Like-
Is it 16 now?
Huh?
Is it 17?
What do you mean 17?
On what date is it on September? I mean on
Today?
yeah.
I don't know.
What is it? What? Oh,
16?
oh,
I think
17.
17? Oh, sorry.
It was 17 last. It was 16 last. And it's almost
No,
September.
today's 16. Today's 16.
No, it's not. Last time was 16.
This is right foot. And then this is wow.
Daddy is bigger. Bigger. You can fly, right?
This figure looks amazing. I'll show you the picture. Wow.
Looks like a battle here.
And then the last one.
But you have to add this to your collection.
Yeah, I'm not collecting this line. We're collecting SH figure.
Yeah.
Okay? And then the last one.
Yeah.
This guy.
I hear one thing.
This is War Machine. And it comes with an alternate head of
His face.
Roddy
Elf
Rhodes.
face.
Colonel James.
That's his real. And the head. Yes. He has 2 heads.
And of course, it comes with the head of Hulkbuster. Wow, almost
No,
done. Almost done.
Doctor Strange. Because I'm Iron Man. And you will
Okay. Wow. This is the head. See, it's so small compared to all the other parts. And then, be careful because the other part might get broken. There you go. Whoa. Whoa. Nice. Then it comes with the extra head. Okay, here you go, Edge. Now we have all the parts.
Blaster.
You want me to build it? Let's build it?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, let's go. I'll help you. It should be, come here. This is the front part and the back part, but before you close it, you need to put this inside. So you go like this. Okay, there you go. And
Take this.
okay, there you go. Whoa. Cool. Cool.
How did you put that? Do that. I want to put the legs.
Oops, make sure it's the right one.
Isn't?
Yeah, the right one, yeah. Oops, careful. Wow, it's so big. Yeah, right there. Okay. You need to hold it here. And then you need to force it like that.
Force it.
Yeah, but gently.
Not good.
How can you do that? Gently. Oh my.
I want to do the
Oh.
arm. I want to do that.
Oh, the arm will be harder. Because you have to insert it like this. Okay, you can try. Here, try the other one. 1, 2, go. Push. Push. See? Okay, I'll help you.
Stand up.
There you go. How about the other one? You do the other one. Oh, careful, careful, careful. See? There you go. And the last one, okay, that you can do. It's gonna be easy. Careful. There you go.
Whoa. Definitely bigger.
Yeah, definitely bigger. Wow! This is huge. Oh no.
What?
Oh, what fell down?
Shoulder pad.
Oh no. Okay, put it back. Okay.
And that's gonna be hard.
Then guys, this is Hulkbuster. Oh my gosh, and it's quite heavy.
It is.
It doesn't
Fine.
it didn't stick it properly. There you go.
Doesn't fit anymore.
Oh, I'll do it, I'll do it. Okay, again, so this is the Hulkbuster wave. So we have in this wave we have, who is this again, H?
Blizzard.
Blizzard. Blizzard.
Doctor Strange.
We got Marvel now, Doctor Strange.
Yeah.
We got the old Vision in the comics. Then we got this tall girl, Thundra. We got Valkyrie. And then we've got this guy, Iron Man. And last but not the least, we got War Machine. Okay? So who do you like best, H?
This guy, of course.
Whoa! Oh no. Okay.
It was not.
Yeah, it's hard. We'll do it. Yeah.
I'm flying. I'm flying. I'm flying. I'm flying.
Okay.
Go,
Of course,
go.
I like this also, but also this one. If you look at this, this is quite nice.
Yeah, I like that too.
A different version. And unbiased, I like War Machine as well.
I like this one and this one.
And doesn't give justice, but this one up close is quite nice. The figure is quite nice. Doctor Strange. Alright.
I didn't put his red back.
It's okay. Don't worry. Alright. So again, that's it.
You are the video.
Thanks again, guys, for watching. We do hope that you like our video. If you like our video, please do not forget to
Like and subscribe.
Okay, don't forget to have fun, guys, and stay
Safe.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Thank you.